Hello everybody, today I'm with Francesca. I'm going to translate something from Italian. Francesca, quanti anni hai? How old are you?
23.
23. Are you a student?
Yeah.
Yeah. E do you practice any sport? Fai qualche sport?
Sì, vado in palestra da 4 anni.
Ok, so she works out at the gym. Did you have any surgery in the past? Hai avuto qualche frattura o intervento chirurgico? Niente, nothing. Ok. This is a little warm up, sarà un piccolo riscaldamento, va bene? Non ti preoccupare, andiamo con calma. Rilassata, brava. Ok, welcome to the club. It's just this. We're going to get a little more deeper inside. Ok, lascia tutto rilassato, bravissima. Ok, tutto bene. An hyperlordosis could be this curve. It's increased curve, but I don't think that is pathologic. So please bend forward, pieghiamoci in avanti. Lascia la testa giù a peso morto, bravissima. There is a very little scoliosis because you can see a little hump right here and one right here, you see? This is upper than the other one and it's not symmetric here, so probably it's more a scoliosis that she means. We will approach the compensation of the pelvis comparing with the spine. Let's start with the pelvis. Lascia cadere completamente le gambe, abbandona tutto. Bravissima. Ok, ci sei? Questa era un pochino forte, eh?
Io già scrocchio.
She's saying that she's very crunchy, so she just moved and she got a crack. But we're going much deeper. Andiamo molto più forte where you cannot reach that level.
No, ogni tanto mi chiedo se è normale.
Yeah, it's normal to have these little cracks on the body, but no worries because we're going much deeper inside. So facciamo molto più forte, where you cannot reach the same spot.
Okay.
Vieni un pochino più avanti, brava alla grande, tutto sta andando perfettamente e ci controlliamo questa particina qua. This is the first fulcrum of the scoliosis. So we didn't know, but we have a scoliosis case and we're going to approach that. Allora, lascia cadere le gambe a peso morto, abbandona tutto, bravissima, rilassa tutto, rilassa tutto, rilassa tutto, ancora di più, brava, ok. Wasn't easy. Scoliosis fulcrum is not easy to unlock. So same approach but different spots on the opposite side. Leave everything to me. Perfect. And we go. Drop your legs, lasciali cadere fuori dal lettino. Bravissima, peso morto. Abbandona pure l'altra gamba. Brava, brava, abbandona tutto. Perfetto. Rilassa, rilassa. Ok, that was the real goal. And now, once again on the pelvis. Lascia cadere le gambe, abbandona tutto, benissimo, abbandona tutto, oh, alla grande. Same side, because we have to work on the dorsal spine. So, let's check the different spots. Saliamo sulla parte dorsale. So, was an interesting question, because what about the cervical? The cervical is fundamental, so it's a paramount approach, the cervical, because we have 3 different curves, lumbar, dorsal and cervical, and we have to balance all them, so that's why it's a very good question. We already approached pelvis, lumbar, and now we are going to approach the dorsal spine. Here we go. Stendi bene le gambe.
Stendo.
Yes, bravissima, rilassata più che puoi, abbandona senza paura, a me non dai fastidio, you're not going to bother me. Ok, ancora più rilassata. Brava, that was a tough one. Pronta? Next, rilassa tutto, abbandona tutto. Ai, rilassa ancora un pochino. Brava. Yes. Lift your head, tira sulla testa e lasciati cadere a peso morto, abbandona tutto.
Dove?
Come ti pare, abbandona. Brava. Ok, that's enough. That was a real tough approach. Medical terms are similar comparing English and Italian because both are coming from Greek and Latin, so it's not so hard to translate this part. Abbandona tutto, rilassa tutto, brava, più morbida se ce la fai, più morbida, abbandona tutto, eccolo qua, questo era importante.
Madonna.
Ci sei?
Sì.
Madonna is the singer, and we go, other side, perfect, ok. And fine. I'm giving you more time because we are changing your curve on your back. So I think now you are ready because you are releasing your muscles and I can approach the rest. It's just one fulcrum. I can reach that by the palpation. Stendi le gambe. Ok. Yes. Once again. Okay, last one. Okay, it's fine. Enough. Was just one, but a very hard one. I just check the prominence and the stiffness, and yes, approach a little hump I have behind the back. The first one is on the occiput. It's a little difficult technique just for me, not for the patient. So relax as much as possible and just make this kind of rotation. It's a full rotation. And now little lift. Yes, no worries. Okay, grip on the chest and now relax. Perfect. Ok, com'è andata? Un po' più faticosina delle altre. I always used to say brava, that is an international term, just to say that she's good because she's releasing all the muscle. I need your full collaboration. Bravissima. Comoda. Faccio tutto io. Ci sei?
Ciao.
Ok, perfetto. Brava. Rilassati, è importantissimo. Brava. Ok. Ci siamo?
Sì.
That's a powerful one.
Madonna.
Riprendi, dai che questa è forte. Dove l'hai sentita?
È tutta qua. Mamma
Forte,
mia. Sì.
Benissimo, aspettiamo.
Pure qua all'inizio di cioè tutto.
Sì,
qua.
tutto. Yes, I can approach the whole spine. That was a 50% of the required energy I generally use. Next time we will do the 100% probably. I'm going to prepare you for
Ancora più forte.
the final technique. Vedi forte, eh? Brava, on the hip, right here. Relax. Okay, that was very easy. Other side. Oh, and that one was much different and much stuck. Very, very good. Brava, e rilassati. Comoda. We got something interesting. There was a hidden... I need a fulcrum. Lo senti? Abbandona. No, it's enough. Yeah, ok. Qui non c'è scrocchio, eh? No crack here. Just try to release all the muscles. We're going to decrease the curve, so reducing the hyperlordosis. Rilassata. Ok. 1, 2. Ok. We reach that through the ligaments, sacrum, iliac ligaments. Adesso chiudiamo un attimino con just some trifles. Relax and we go. One, relax, once again.
Oddio.
Ok. Other one. Ok. Yes, relax. Ok. Tutto bene?
Sì.
Ok, so next time the show. Next episode. In particolare questa zona qua e la cervicale.
Sì. Mi metto in piedi?
Vai. Allora, sensazioni.
Il già lo sento perché io già solo quando mi alzo così la mattina mi fa male qua e non mi fa male.
Okay, so she used to feel pain during the morning, waking up, and now it's just got a very lighter cervical and
già questo è
get improved.
bellissimo.
Ok,
La schiena pure, poi sarà che no, sì, mi sento più dritta. Non lo so.
ok, she feels more straight.
Mi sento tutta
Uh-huh.
ammorbidita, alleggerita.
Softer everywhere, lighter,
Sì, come se fossi un pupazzo.
like a puppet. That's nice, good description, good feeling. Ok, allora sai che facciamo? È andata molto bene, poi ti spiego come ci muoveremo con la lastra per la scoliosi che confronteremo dopo un anno, quindi ne faremo 2.
Ok.
Piccoli esercizi che ti spiegheranno i fisioterapisti, tanto sport e importante poi studieremo come stare seduti che è veramente la parte principale. Tu che tanto
Perché
devi
io sono
studiare
delle
tanto, sì.
posizioni.
Some tips about the scoliosis, so about what kind of x-ray, some posture to keep while sitting, a lot of sport and a little adjustment from the physiotherapist. That's all. Facciamo un saluto ai nostri amici?
Ok.
Allora, ciao a tutti,
Ciao.
piccolo scrocchietto con le mani, vai, 3, 2, 1, bye bye, thanks for watching.